Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Chanelly767. What's popping? Hope everybody's having a blessed, successful and wonderful day today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Chanelly. My YouTube channel is about vlog, lifestyle and everything makeup. So today's video is my first impression using this Lagirl Break Free eyeshadow palette. Now that's the first time I'm trying out eyeshadow palettes from Lagirls. Normally use the Lagirls Pro Concealer palette, and one time I tried the setting spray but I didn't like it too much. But I first saw this eyeshadow palette back when I was having my giveaway in December, and just the look of it is really amazing. I give so much positive description by just looking at it, and when I asked my winner what was her reviews about this palette, she told me she absolutely loved it, and I couldn't stop thinking about it because the colors in there is really beautiful. I decided to get one myself. Now this has been released like months, like more than 8-9 months ago, and only now I get a chance to review this palette. Right now they have a new palette out called Hey Hey Vacay, and you can shop online for this palette. So now the eyeshadow break free palette from Lagirls is super beautiful. You can see the butterflies actually moving. It's hard covered. That's the front of it, and that's the back of it. So once you open this eyeshadow palette, it comes with a large mirror. You can do your full glam by just using this mirror, and it comes with this beautiful eyeshadow palette. Alright, so this eyeshadow palette, just the looks of it, I already have 5 descriptions. If you're looking for everyday eyeshadow palette, this is for you. If you're looking for an eyeshadow palette for office, this is for you. If you're looking for a wedding eyeshadow palette, this is for you. If you are someone who afraid of colors, this is for you. If you are somebody into fall makeup, this is for you. This is basically a grab and go everyday eyeshadow palette, and I really love the colors in there. That's why I couldn't stop thinking about it, and I had to get one myself just to test it out and see not just the looks of it, but the pigmentation and the blending is there. Now what I like about this eyeshadow palette, the names come on the palette, but I read reviews that it's only on the plastic. Now if you're someone like me, I'm always losing the plastic on the eyeshadow palette, but the best part about it, the names are at the back of the palette. So that's another plus from Lagirls. And the eyeshadow that comes on the palette is Dreamy, Hope, Free, New Beginning, Rise, Glowy, Queen, Sunset, Radiant, Mocha Rich, When Man, Beauty, Wonder, Escape, Strong, and Life. So these are the eyeshadow that comes on the palette, and it's absolutely beautiful. I really love this palette by just looking at it. Now whenever you buy an eyeshadow palette, yes, the beauty is there, but is the pigmentation and the blending is there. That's the 2 most important thing whenever you buy an eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to open this palette for the first time, and I'm pulling it out, and the reviews are right. So the names are on the plastic and not on the eyeshadow itself. So these are the up close of the eyeshadow. Look at the beauty, guys. Look at this. This is so beautiful. So I'm going to do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. You see that? I wish makeup was like that, just one snap away and boom, that is it. So I'm taking my NYX eyeshadow base primer, so I'm going to prime my lid. Then I'm just taking my flat brush to blend out this base. Right, so now you have your primer. So the first eyeshadow I'm going to reach for is Dreamy. This is Dreamy right here. And then I'm just going to place that all over the lid. Guys can't see me. All over the lid. Ooh. So Dreamy have a little shine to it. I thought it was a matte color, but there's a shine to Dreamy. Actually, you can see it from looking at it. I really thought it was a matte color, but I still going to continue putting that all over my lid area. So that is Dreamy. I really thought Dreamy was a matte, but there's a shine to it. If you look closer, there's a shine to Dreamy, but it glide on, it pack on very nicely. But now I'm going to take this so I'm going to take my translucent color, and this one is called Rise. If I'm pointing, no, it's called Sunset. Why is this? No, so this is Sunset, so this is Rise. So I'm taking Rise, this color right here. I'm taking my ooh, look at this, guys. So that means, you know what that means? The pigmentation is there. There's a lot of fallout coming from this as well. And we're going to use that as a translucent color. So I'm packing on the color, not so vibrant. It's there, but it's not so vibrant. Can you see? Yeah. So I pack it on and then I blending it out. So it's blending nicely, but this one don't show so much. See, you can hardly see it. Pack on, pack on. But I'll admit, the more you pack on, the more the color shows. So that is one thing. It blended nicely too, though. Alright, so now that you have Rise in the crease area as a translucent color, the next thing I'm going to take is I'm going to take Strong. Strong is this color right here. And I'm just going to darken that up a little bit. Let's see. You do get see? So the colors is not sticking to the brush, but let's try. Tapping it. Ooh, okay. So strong is definitely giving pigmentation, and strong is blending very nicely. So I like strong. Okay, so that is strong. Then I'm going to take, what's this color? So you have Dreamy. I'm going to take New Beginnings, which is this color right here. And then I'm going to apply that all over the lid in the middle part right here. Oh wow, guys, are you seeing that? I was going for like a cut crease, but I changed my mind. So New Beginning is definitely giving pigmentation, and also it is blending very nicely. So far, Rise take a lot of time to pack on. That's the only eyeshadow that was giving me a problem, but everything else is working very nicely. Alright, so now that we have New Beginnings, the next and final, hopefully, I want to use all the eyeshadow in the palette. So I'm taking Life. And then I'm going to apply that all over New Beginnings. You guys know how much I love some, oh guys, wow, okay. It's really giving some nice shine. Wow. See the difference? So the next thing I'm going to take, this is like really an everyday makeup. So the next thing I'm going to take is, I love this color. What is this color? Glowing. This one here. Yeah, so this one here, Glowing. This is what I'm going to take right here. And then I'm going to apply that. Ooh, look at that, guys. And I'm going to apply that in my waterline. I'm going to apply that on my highlights area. Taking Glowy, and then I applying that in the inner part. Here's some more. Wow. So let me give you a swatch of Glowy. This is, guys, too much lighting. So this is Glowy. And this is Life that I use. Oh my god, look at this color. And then this is Rise. Now Rise is giving pigmentation on my hand, but it's not giving it on my lid. And as you can see, I keep on applying, and then the eyeshadow started to show. And then I'm going to give you Dreamy. This is Dreamy. See, it looks like a matte, but there's like a shine to it. Then I'm going to show you New Beginnings. New Beginnings is like a neutral, very neutral, soft settle eyeshadow, and it is matte. Then I run out of fingers. I'm going to take, what is this one that I just now, I'm strong. Then I'm going to take strong. This is strong right there. This eyeshadow is very beautiful, close to like a dark brown. So, and the pigmentation for this one is very high as well for strong. Then let me show you, what is this one? Queen. Ooh, I'm going to use Queen Summer. Let me show you where Queen is. Oh my god, Queen is so beautiful. Look at that color for Queen. Ooh, so beautiful, Queen. I'm gonna find a place for Queen, and let me just give you one more swatch. I'm going to swatch let us swatch. Let's start this one. Let's start Sunset, because we're getting into the summer. Why not swatch it? This is Sunset. It's like a coral eyeshadow right there, but it's very beautiful. So I'm gonna do the rest of my face and I'll be right back. Boom, just like that, guys, just like that. Don't you wish makeup was that easy, just to snap a finger? Guys, stop sleeping on this drugstore affordable makeup. Look at the eyeshadow, look at the details. It's amazing. So there are different ways that you can use this eyeshadow palette. You can use it for everyday, office, wedding, fall. If you're someone who's afraid of colors, this eyeshadow palette is definitely for you. By just to look at the beauty in this eyeshadow palette. I highly do recommend it. And from the swatch of it, there's the pigmentation. I did have some problem with one particular eyeshadow, but the rest of the eyeshadow are amazing, especially Rise. I find Rise, the pigmentation is there from the time that you swatch it, but once you apply it, it's like you have to build the eyeshadow for it to actually show. And then Dreamy, looking like a matte eyeshadow, but if you apply it, there's like a shine to it, and if you look up close, you really see the shine. It's like from the look of it from far, it's like a matte, but if you come up close, you really see there's a shine. But that's besides the point. This eyeshadow is definitely worth your money, guys. Go get this LA Girls eyeshadow palette, and this one is called the Break Free eyeshadow palette. I believe this eyeshadow palette is going to be my grab and go eyeshadow palette, especially if I traveling. I definitely want to carry this eyeshadow palette for me. And that is the final look. This is my everyday foundation routine that I apply, and I just add on some nude lips, and that is the final look. And then the lashes, I can't remember where I get these lashes from, but if I remember, I put it down in the description bar. So I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit this notification bell for what's popping with Chanel 767. Until the next time, my beautiful people. Mwah. Peace, love, always. Bye.